Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account security with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your account security with Discover, start by visiting the official Discover website. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the link that says Forgot User ID or Password. You will be directed to a verification page. Enter the required information, including your social security number and date of birth. Next, click on Continue to proceed. You will receive instructions via email or text message, depending on your account settings. Follow the provided link to reset your password or recover your user ID. If you choose to reset your password, create a strong new password that meets security criteria. Re-enter the new password to confirm it and click Submit. After successfully updating your password or retrieving your user ID, return to the login page. Enter your user ID and new password to access your account. Once logged in, review your recent account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice suspicious activity, immediately report it to Discover's customer service. To enhance your account security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Regularly update your security questions and answers to ensure they remain secure. Finally, keep your contact information up to date in your account settings to receive alerts. By following these steps, you can effectively recover your account security with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.